Today we will show you the installation process of Godleaf Model 3505 one-way soft close clip-on hinge. This is the board hole deal of hinge. Put hinge into the pre-drilled hole. Push hinge to level with the board. Fix hinge head with screws. Turn hinge to the maximum angle. Put two boards together. Fix hinge tail with screws. Installation is complete. Hinge adjustment. Loosen the screws up and down to adjust the cover position. Loosen the screws up and down to adjustment height.